As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the ChuMaste 3-burner propane grill, B0CFR2CZP9, with the Bull natural gas grill, B00QYIX42I. First impressions?
The ChuMaste is way cheaper, like around $169 compared to the Bull Steer, which is listed around $1,389. That's a huge price difference.
Definitely, but let's dig into the specs. The ChuMaste is propane, right? And the Bull Steer is natural gas?
Yep, that's a key difference. If you've already got a natural gas line, the Bull Steer might be convenient, but propane is more portable. Also, the ChuMaste is giving off 30,000 BTUs with its 3 burners.
Good point about portability. What about size? I see that ChuMaste has a cooking surface of about 465 square inches. What about the Bull?
The Bull Steer has a cooking surface of 564 square inches, so the Bull has a bigger cooking area. The ChuMaste does have foldable side tables, which is handy for prep space.
True, and it has wheels for moving it around. The Bull Steer, does it have wheels?
It's on a cart with heavy-duty casters, so yeah, it's mobile too. One thing the Bull Steer boasts is heavy-duty 304 stainless steel construction. Sounds really durable.
The ChuMaste also lists stainless steel, but the customer reviews mention potential issues with build quality, like bent pieces. The Bull Steer reviews seem much more positive regarding its construction.
Yeah, and that might explain the price difference. You're paying for that higher quality stainless steel with the Bull. It also has a dual-lined hood, which probably helps with heat retention.
Interesting. Both have thermometers, and both have a warming rack. It really boils down to fuel preference, budget, and build quality, doesn't it?
Exactly. If you want a super affordable propane grill for small gatherings, the ChuMaste might work. But if you want a really durable, higher-end natural gas grill and are willing to pay for it, the Bull Steer is the way to go.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.